Hello, my dear student of class ninth. Please open your book, The Merchant of Venice, Act 1, Scene 3. Whatever was taught today in your live class on School Mitra app, this is the same I am going to teach you through this video. Antonio speech, here you see line number 85. After 85 the speech of Shylock is given, and after that the speech of Antonio. Antonio says, "Mark you this, Bassanio, the devil can cite scriptures for his purpose." Listen to this, Bassanio. The devil is Shylock. Devil can quote from the scriptures when he wants to justify his purpose. He takes the help. The devil takes help from the religious books, scripture, when he wants to justify his purpose. It is written in the religious book. It is written such thing in this religious book. Devil takes example from the religious books when he wants to justify his purpose. An evil man, he says, an evil soul producing holy witness is like a villain with a smiling cheek. Antonio says, an evil man putting forth holy arguments, sacred argument, is like a villain. He says, holy argument, who gives a holy argument is like a villain with a smiling face, but a goodly apple rotten at the heart. Oh, what a goodly outside falsehood hath. He says, oh, smiling face, and like an attractive apple which is rotten from inside, looking beautiful, attractive from outside, but rotten from inside. Oh, what an attractive external appearance falsehood has. Shylock says, 3,000 ducats, that is a good round sum. 3 months from 12, then let me see the rate. Shylock says, okay, right, 3,000 ducats I'll give you as a loan, but it is a big sum. 3 months from 12. There are 12 month students for 3 months. Yes, let me see the rate of interest. He want to check, he want to see on which rate he will give the loan to Antonio and Bassanio. Bassanio is taking loan on behalf of Antonio. Shylock says, "Signor Antonio, many a time and oft in the Rialto, you have rated me about my monies and my usances. Signor Antonio, often you have abused me. You have used awkward sentences, words, me in the Venetian Stock Exchange about my money and my money lending practices. Still have I borne it with a patient shrug, for sufferance is the badge of all our tribe." He says, I have shrugged my shoulders. I did not care what you said. I shrugged my shoulder and suffered it patiently, for patience is the badge of our race. Patience. We know how to suffer, how to show patience. You call me misbeliever, cutthroat dog, and spit upon my Jewish gabardine, and for all use of that which is mine own. He says, you call me a non-believer, merciless dog, and you spit on my long Jewish robe, long Jewish cloak, all because I put to use that which is my own. All because I put to use that which is my own. My own means my money. Well, then it now appears you need my help. Now you have come here. You come here to take my help Well, then it now appears you need my help. Go to them. Then go, Shylock. Shylock says, then go, Antonio. You come to me. You come to me and you say, you must say, what? Shylock, we would have monies. You say so. You that did wide your rheum upon my beard and foot me as you spawn a stranger cur over your threshold. He says, you spat on my beard. Shylock, you will say, Shylock, we want some money. You spat on my beard and kicked me as you would kick a stray dog out of your house. You have come now with a request for money. What shall I tell you? He says, what should I tell you? What should I say? Should I not say, has a dog money? Shall I not say, has a dog any money? Is it possible a cur can lend 3,000 ducats? Is it possible for a dog to lend you 3,000 ducats? Or shall I bend low and in a bondsman key with bated breath and whispering humbleness say this, fair sir, you spit on me once a day last. You spawned me such a day, another time you called me dog, and for these courtesies I lend you thus much monies. Is it possible for a dog to lend you 3,000 ducats? Or shall I bow low? Or shall I bow low and in a humble voice, with submissive voice, with a timid voice, and say, noble sir, last Wednesday you spat on me. On another day you pushed me out of the way. Another time you called me dog. Because of those acts of so-called politeness, shall I lend you the money you want? Shall I lend the money? You say it is politeness. Should I give them money? Should I give them money for all these courtesies? Antonio says, I am as like to call this so again. I am likely to call you the same again. I'll not change myself. I'm not going to change what I am. I am as like to call this so again, to spit on thee again, to spurn the two. He says, I will spit on you and I will push you aside again. If thou wilt lend this money, lend it not as to thy friends. For when did friendship take a breed for barren metal of his friend? He says, if you lend me money, do not lend it as you would do to a friend. When did a friend lend money to a friend in order to make a financial profit? A friend, a real friend, does not take any interest, does not take profit of what? Of the money he had given as a loan. Shylock, you lend money, lend it rather to thine enemy, who, if he break, thou mayest with better face exact the penalty. Lend the money to me, Shylock, lend the money to me as if I were your enemy. I am not your friend. If I should fail to abide by your contract, if I will fail to return the money to you back, you shall exact the penalty from me. Treat me as an enemy. Shylock says, why, look you how you storm. I would be friends with you and have your love. Forget the shame that you have strained me with. Supply your present wants and take no doit of usance of my monies, and you will not hear me. This is kind I offer. He says, now, you see, you yourself see how you are losing your temper. I would like to have your friendship and love and to forget the shameful things you have done to disgrace me, to dishonor me. I will give you what you have asked for without taking a small interest on my money. I will not take any any interest on my money, but you do not listen to me. It is kindness, Antonio. It is kindness that I offer you. Bassanio says, this were kindness. Bassanio says, really, that would be kindness. It would be really your kindness if you give me the money as a loan. And what happened, what Shylock says, you will study in my next video. Thank you so much, students.